Hey everyone, my name is Lane Walker, and I'm doing Internet of Things in Japan. What is IoT? IoT stands for Internet of Things. IoT refers to a network of physical objects embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies to connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet. IoT devices collect data through sensors, which is transmitted over a network to a central system or other devices for processing and analysis. The US leads in IoT platforms, cloud services, and software innovation, while Japan has strengths in hardware manufacturing, robotics, and infrastructure. Who is using IoT? Current users of IoT include various industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, and retail. Potential users of IoT can span in any sector where data collection, analysis, and automation can improve operations and decision making. IoT security engineer, the key roles is to make sure that the software and systems are not threatened by any breaches. They make around $140K per year, and knowledge of electronics and proficiency in various programming languages. Where are they using IoT? The top countries using IoT is the United States, China, Japan, and Germany. Smart home automation. IoT-enabled smart home devices such as thermostats, lighting systems, security cameras, door locks, and appliances are all able to be monitored and controlled through smartphones. Healthcare and remote monitoring. IoT transformed healthcare by enabling remote monitoring of patients, personalized treatment plans, and improved patient outcome. Agriculture and precision farming. IoT technologies transform agriculture by providing farmers with real-time data and insights to optimize crop production and increasing yields. Why are they using IoT? The company that I chose is Sony, and the strengths are strong brand recognition, diverse product portfolio to integrate IoT functionalities into existing products. The weaknesses are competition from other technical companies such as Apple and Samsung, and data privacy concerns. Opportunities: Sony can capitalize on the demand for smart living solutions, and threats: cybersecurity risk, navigate compliance standards related to data protection and consumer privacy. When are they using IoT? I believe everyone will be using IoT in the next 5 to 10 years as IoT devices become more mature and user-friendly, eventually reaching a point IoT will be a part of everyday life for people around the world. How is Japan using IoT? Goal 3, good health and well-being. IoT-enabled medical devices can monitor patients' health remotely, enabling early detection of health issues. Goal 7, affordable and clean energy. IoT systems can optimize energy in buildings, factories, and transportation networks, which will promote the use of renewable energy sources. And Goal 11, sustainable cities and communities. Traffic management systems enabled by IoT can reduce congestion and emissions by optimizing traffic flow and provide real-time travel information to consumers. 2 truths and a lie. Japan is one of the top countries using IoT. IoT is being used in smart home automation, and data privacy concerns are something not to worry about in IoT. Thank you.